and welcome back to my channel. I don't have eye makeup on right now, so I'm looking a little different, but I wanted to come here and do a Valentine's Day get ready with me video. I feel like this look will be great for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the tutorial. So I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is great for a lot of warm tones and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. Everything that I am using is going to be linked down below, and everything that I already have on my face, so like foundation, concealer, bronzer, things like that. So I'm first starting out with the transition shade, and it's gonna be this middle one right here. It's really great for transition, as you can see. I'm pretty much kind of winging this look, but I am going to do my best to kind of like keep it pinky but not too crazy pink. So now taking a brush that is a little bit smaller, I'm gonna go in with this color, and you kind of want to keep this at an angle, so I'm like sweeping across like this and then sweeping up. I don't want to go like down here. Okay, now taking an even smaller brush, I'm gonna go into this really pretty dark maroon color. Okay, so I'm kind of nervous about this because this is a very red pigmented color, but here we go. I'm just tapping it on like that, and you will be getting fallout, so be ready to wipe it away at the end. I'm just focusing on the outer corner, doing pats like this, and then kind of bringing it up a little bit. So that's giving me a really pretty maroon color. And I'm gonna go ahead and try and wipe away some of the fallout with some powder. And then I'm taking the color Hilster, and it's kind of the same color as what I just put down, but it's a little bit more sparkly. Definitely very maroon. Then with that same small brush, I'm going in and picking up one of the brown colors called Chip. And so this is really just defining the outer corner. You can just plop that down, and then you can bring it up a little bit. Make sure to like flick it out a little bit. And I'm not putting any color on this side this time, and I'm just kind of flicking it up into the brow bone, but also like into the inner corner. You can obviously see the difference. And now I'm gonna go into a highlight shade, and I'm using the top right one, which is right here, and that is called In Light. And then I'm just tapping it on. Once again, these are so pigmented, so definitely gonna blend that out. Okay, then comes the fun part. Wish me luck on this. These are sometimes really hard to deal with, but this is a little mini Stila, and this is in the color Kitten Karma. It's a really pretty like rosy gold color, which I love. These little like glitters, but I don't have like enough fancy places to wear them to, so like I barely use them, so I definitely wanted to use it for this video. So here we go. I'm gonna try and attempt a little bit of a cut crease on the inner. So with this, you want to make sure it dries a little bit before you really start opening your eye too much. On a little tiny brush that I used for highlight, I'm going to try and go in with the Smoky But Natural color. This is like such a great smoky color that is like bronze, but it's not too dark or too light. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that on just so it like kind of looks like it's blending into the rest of my makeup. Like that. I'm even gonna get a little tiny bit of that maroon dark color, and then go in just a little bit more, not too much. I'm gonna tap off the excess a ton more, and then just do this, a dab, dab, dab. Use for the brow bone, and tapping it in there. If you really wanted to, you could even take the Stila eye glitter and put on the inner corner, but honestly, since I already used this to tap right here, it's already like some of the glitter's already like on the brush and it's going in the inner corner anyways. For the most part, the glitter wipes right off, like if you had any underneath. But if not, I really suggest actually taking tape and then sticking it and getting the glitter off of your face. Okay, I just put on the Studio Effects lashes, so the glue is still looking wet, but I will show you guys the final result once that is dry. I love these lashes because they are thicker at the end. All right guys, and this is the finished look. I finished off my lips with Soar from MAC, so just a liner, and I lined my entire lips, and then I used my new absolute favorite. This is the first time I've used it, but Kristen Jones recommended it, so gotta do it. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost, and it's very hydrating for sure. It's a lip gloss in the color Almond Nude. And once again, everything else on my face will be linked down below, including highlighter and bronzer and things like that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Valentine's Day look, and if you try it out, you better be tagging me so I can go see your little creation of it. And I'm so excited that you guys are willing to try it out, and I will actually have this entire look also on my Instagram story highlights, so you can easily go back and look at it. I just filmed it on my Instagram story highlights. So that is that, and if you ever want to go back to look at that, you can go to my highlights on my Instagram that says makeup, and there's a tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below your plans for Valentine's Day, and that is all. I'll also have the sweater that I'm wearing linked down below. It's from Target. If you don't follow my other Target blog, it is the targetgirlblog.com, and I have a podcast called the Target Girl Podcast and an Instagram called the Target Girl. If you love Target, you're gonna love all of those little platforms. So yeah, I think this sweater is $12 right now, so get your hands on it. I got it in a large because it's very cropped, so I wanted it longer and oversized. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!